In this video, we will explore 3 different ways to withdraw crypto from Binance, and all the steps shown in this video can be done either on mobile device or PC or laptop. So let's begin with it already. Let's start with the easiest and the fastest way. For this, click on this option of More, then click on this option of Pay. You can find this option if you are on mobile device in the services section. Simply click on Pay, and here you get to see this option of Send Cash. Simply click on it. Now here you need to select the currency of your country that you want to receive, and under the section of UPay you can select the crypto of your choice that you want to sell or withdraw in order to receive the domestic currency or the fiat currency. Select any crypto from this particular list, or you can also type the amount right here. Then you would be able to see the amount that you will receive in your account. Let me select some crypto in order to show you exactly how it works. Let me select the option of Max, and this way I will be able to see the amount of fiat currency that I will receive. Now, depending on the country, you would be able to see different options that you can utilize in order to receive this particular crypto in your bank account. Then you need to click on Continue, and here on this page you can select the recipient account depending on the option that you chose in the previous section. Now click on this option of Add New Beneficiary, and this way you would be able to select your account or someone else's bank account. And after that you need to confirm these details in the third step, and this way you would be able to receive the crypto in your bank account quite easily, that is in fiat currency. And this is just the first way. But before exploring the other ways to withdraw crypto from Binance, it would be great if you could hit that like button. Now for the second step or the second method, you can open up your Binance account, then select this option of trade over here, go to the option of P2P. Now as soon as it opens up, make sure that you have selected the option of sell instead of buy, because by default it is always on buy. Now after switching it to sell, select the crypto that you are looking to sell in order to receive the money in your bank account or your preferred method. Suppose I want to sell USDT, I will select USDT over here. Then you need to select the fiat currency of your country from here. Select that particular currency. Now you can filter out the payment methods and the reasons as well. Suppose you are looking for a particular payment method and you want to use only that method. Simply select that, and all the preferences or all the people out there who are ready to purchase USDT using that particular option will be listed over here. Now we need to select and figure out the person who we want to deal with. We are actually selling our USDT and receiving the money in our bank account, and Binance is acting as a middleman. You are selling, and on the other end someone is purchasing this USDT who is going to pay you in your fiat currency, and Binance is acting as a mediator. Now in this list, make sure that you select someone with higher completion rate. It is quite important to avoid the scams. Make sure that you select someone who has at least more than 90% completion rate, and over 95% would be even better. Now check out the prices available to you at that particular point of time, and also the amount of USDT that you can sell to that particular person, as some people have some lower limits. Suppose you are selling 1000 USDT, then here if you deal with this particular person, he is only going to purchase 600 USDT. That's the cap. So selling the remaining 400 would be tough for you. It would be better if you go with someone who can purchase all of it in one go. Now suppose I want to sell my USDT to this particular person, as he has higher completion rate and also has more than 1000 USDT available to purchase. Now click on this option of sell USDT. Here we can type the amount of USDT that we are looking to sell, and also we will see exactly how much money or the fiat currency that we will be receiving. Here at the bottom you can also see the payment method that you have selected, and then click on this option of sell USDT, and after that when you receive that particular amount that you have selected in your bank account, you can confirm that particular transaction, and after that the USDT will be released from your account as well, and the person purchasing this USDT will receive it, and you will receive the fiat currency in your bank account. And this is how this transaction will take place. Now after exploring P2P method, we will explore how you can withdraw crypto from Binance to any other decentralized exchange or centralized exchange. For that, you will have to open up your spot wallet, and here click on withdraw. Now you need to select the coin that you are looking to withdraw. Suppose I want to withdraw BNB, and then it will ask me to provide the address and the network. If you are sending this BNB to a Binance user, or you are withdrawing your crypto to any other Binance account other than the current one, then you can select this option of Binance user, and it will not cost you any fees for sending your crypto. But in other case, when you are sending it to another exchange which is not Binance, then select the option of address. Suppose I want to send this BNB to my Metamask, and for that I can simply open up my Metamask, and here make sure that you are connected to Binance Smart Chain, which is the network on Metamask. And after that, just copy this particular address of your Metamask, paste it over here, and then select the network. In network, we will select Binance Smart Chain, as Metamask is on Binance Smart Chain. But always make sure that this address needs to be similar on the sender and the receiver point. Otherwise, you can lose your funds. So after selecting the network, we need to type the amount that we are looking to send. After typing the amount, we can click on withdraw, and after verification, we will be able to withdraw from Binance quite easily. And this is how you do it. So these were the ways that you can utilize in order to withdraw crypto from Binance. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see similar helpful videos in future and get the notification, then make sure to subscribe our channel and also turn the notifications. See you in the next video.